messages.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for southern Alberta at 3:26 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Sunday, May 31st, 2020. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for the following regions: Brooks, Strathmore, Vulcan. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Airdrie, Cochrane, Olds, Sundre, Drumheller, Three Hills, and City of Calgary.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour sud de l'Alberta à 15h15, heure avancée des Rocheuses, le dimanche 31 mai 2020. Une veille d'orage violent est maintenue pour Airdrie, Cochrane, Olds, Sundre, Drumheller,